Over 38 million people in Bangladesh live below the poverty line, constantly fighting against hunger. They can't afford restaurant meals. As per social norms, they can't even enter restaurants. Bidyanando, a non-profit organization in Bangladesh, wanted to provide charity with dignity and break this tradition. Presenting the One Taka Restaurant, a charity restaurant for the underprivileged to buy meals for a penny. Here there were no long lines, no mass humiliation, only the fulfilling experience of dining. To give them proper service, we designed a modern restaurant, hired compassionate and professional staff, and provided tasty and nutritious meals.
এটি তাদের জন্য নতুন একটি অভিজ্ঞতা এবং এর মাধ্যমে কমার্শিয়াল রেস্টুরেন্টে ঢুকতে না পারা যে যন্ত্রণা, যে বেদনা সেটা অনেকটাই লাঘব হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
For the first time ever, they enjoyed the experience of a restaurant and a choice in what they could eat for just 1 taka, satisfied their hunger and could retain their honor and dignity. This wasn't just a restaurant, but a project that allowed a first ever restaurant experience for those below the poverty line against the existing social taboos.
খুব শান্তি পেয়েছি।
টাকা রেস্টুরেন্ট পোলাও
মানুষের জন্য কুড়িগ্রামে এরকম একটি রেস্তোরাঁ চালু করেছে।